Okay, I'm going to try to hot wire this 220 SE. Got the fuel pump wired up just to keep all the electric out of the wiring harness because I don't know what the condition of it is. I got the hot wire going to the ignition coil, and I got a hot wire going to the starter here. Okay, this is start number 2. I'm going to see if I can get it to idle a little bit. She wants to run. Okay, I'm going to hot wire this thing again and see if I can take a look at the oil pressure once it starts. Pressure is good. Okay, I've had this thing running a couple times. I'm just hot wiring the coil and the fuel pump and then the starter. Don't let it run long because I haven't hooked up the radiator yet, but it runs.